Hi, my name's Logan, and I'm going to show you a quick little tip on how to eliminate snipe on your lunchbox style planer. This is the DeWalt DW735. I previously had the DeWalt DW734. It's just a quick and easy tip that'll hopefully help you eliminate snipe on your boards. Thanks for watching, stay tuned to the end, and we'll see you next time. So this simple little trick is as simple as it gets. I just have a 48-inch level with a magnetic strip that was part of the level when I purchased it. I put the level in, I loosen up the set screws on the tables, I put the magnet side down, which brings the tables into level with the planer. Basically what you're looking for to eliminate snipe is for the very ends of the table and pretty much the whole table, but really the ends of the table to be level with this board here. So when you run it through, there's just going to be little to no snipe. I'll show you some test boards that I can run through and show you what they look like before and after, and you'll just see that the ones that I've been running through, and I've done softwoods and hardwoods, are showing no snipe. Now I also take smaller passes, not so small that, just passes that you should take no matter if it's level or out of level. And I just take a half a revolution, which is approximately a 1/16 of an inch. An 1/8 of an inch sometimes overloads my electrical system and shuts it down, which is why I only do the 1/16 of an inch. Now other people may not have that issue and they'd be just fine doing a full revolution, which is a 1/16 of an inch on this particular planer. So anyway, watch me run some test boards, try it for yourself if you want to, and hopefully you'll have luck with it as well. Thanks a lot. So that's it. That's my simple little trick. I can tell you it does for a fact work with this particular planer. I did have a DW734 before, like I've already mentioned. I did not try this on that planer. I just was going to level it to set the tables up, and I was like, wait a second, this has a magnet on it, let's try that. And that's how I figured it out. So I'm sure it would work on other lunchbox planers as well. I just had a piece of melamine running through my DW734, and I still got tons of snipe. Every single board, if I just ran it through by itself, I would have probably 2 to 2.5 inches on each end of the board. So I'm super happy with how this works. Hopefully it works for you. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.